Hi, I'm Linda Hutchinson of L. Hutchinson Designs. Today I'm going to show you one way that you can decorate a cat plaque made out of wood. I have a plaque here that I painted, I distressed the edges a little bit, and I did an outline of what I wanted to do in pencil. Then I began to go over that with a Sharpie. I also have some glitter nail polish that I'm going to put little accents with to dress it up a little bit. So I have a little cat face and I wrote meow spoken here. Any cat person speaks fluent meow and will appreciate this gift. Or if you're a cat person yourself, you can hang it in your own home. So I'm just tracing over the lines that I made with the pencil with the Sharpie. You can use paint and a brush if you have a very steady hand and a very fine brush. I prefer to use the Sharpie. Sharpies come in all kinds of colors, gives you a lot of options. If you don't like your handwriting or your printing, you can always use a stencil or a stamp and stamp out the letters. I find if you're giving a gift, having your own writing gives it a nice personal touch, but it's all a matter of preference. So once you have the lines done, just take a look at it and see if maybe there are any areas you want to go over a little bit. The wood absorbs the colors a lot, so sometimes you want to go over an area. Once you're done with that, then you may want to accent some areas, like maybe give the cat a glittery collar. Or maybe a little glittery nose, a little wet glittery nose. Maybe put a little glitter on the inside of the ears where it's pink. Whatever looks good to you, just kind of give a little pop. I like glitter on everything. I just have this thing for glitter, but if you don't like glitter, you can use solid paint. You can use whatever you want just to give it a little accent. And that's how you can decorate a wooden cat plaque. My name is Linda Hutchinson. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye-bye.